What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Jay and Sara channel. Today, we're giving y'all a sneak peek inside our first apartment here in Da Nang, Vietnam. So follow us.
Jay and Sara hit the road and land the skies in hearts that glow. Pack their bags and off they go to chase the sun, the world to show. From the beat of Georgia nights to the names, vibrant lights. Cross the ocean, take the flight. Every moment feels so right. Travel through the world hand in hand. From Atlanta land to Vietnam sand. Love and laughter make a stand.
Welcome. I'm so happy you guys are here to join us. Welcome to the Jay and Sara apartment tour. We are super excited that you guys have joined us, and we're going to start in the closet, my favorite place. Here is our closet, and as you guys already know, we are digital nomads, so one thing we do and have learned is to travel light. This is our bedroom, where all the magic happens. And you would think that this is my favorite place in the apartment thus far, but to be quite honest with you, between the workstation over here, where we decide to create all of the amazing videos that you guys see on YouTube, so make sure to check us out on YouTube. But the living room is my favorite place. It is extremely quaint, and Jay and I just enjoy sitting here watching a movie, and it just feels like home between the lighting, just ricocheting off of the white walls. Everything just feels right here, and we love that. The television is mounted on the wall. The plants came with the apartment, and if I haven't mentioned this already, everything that you see in this apartment came with the apartment. Not me, of course, but everything else has. This is our kitchen area. So this building was built about 3 months ago, so they didn't have the opportunity on placing the full kitchen. But the next time you see us, we will have a full-blown kitchen where I can actually cook for my man, because I'm actually missing that. I didn't think I was gonna miss it as much as I thought as I am right now. This is our refrigerator, freezer, empty, just Jay's Cafe Da. And our fridge, wine and coconuts. Now, the reason you're probably wondering, why is our fridge empty? We eat out all the time. We're in Vietnam and everything is super cheap. I'm excited about cooking, but we really don't have to. So it's okay to live in an apartment with no kitchen because it's not a big deal. And this is what makes this whole apartment worth it all. The balcony. Take a look. Take a look to the left and look to the right. The beach is over there and the buildings are over there. We get the best of both worlds. The city view and the beach view. Can't beat that with a baseball bat. You guys know I was going to say it. Now, one of the other areas in this apartment that was shocking to us when we came here was the restroom. And the reason why is because of how grandiose it is. Hello, hello, hello. You guys hear that? It's huge. Again, with the stand-in shower, different shower heads, everything was provided to us. And I honestly don't think of another place that we could possibly have one that fits us so well for so many reasons. You get the elegance and you get the convenience. A bidet. If you don't have a bidet or know what a bidet is, you ain't living right. And this, everyone, concludes our tour of the Jay and Sara apartment. We're so happy that you guys were able to join us, and we hope to see you next time. If you have any questions, we're going to put as many informations as we possibly can in the links below.
What's up, y'all? So we are upstairs at the rooftop. So come follow me. Let me show y'all around the rooftop. So on the rooftop, we have our washer right here, little washer, and it comes with free detergent. You know what I'm saying? So we don't have to buy no detergent here. It's so crazy. Like, I love this about this place. So, we come up here, wash clothes. It offers free amenities too. Like, we got the free toilet paper, cleaning supplies down here. So if you ever need anything, they always let us know. Hey, you can come up here, get what we need up here, and always fresh sheets. So it's like a hotel almost, but it's an apartment. So we're getting used to it. Sarah say all the time she feel guilty about just coming and drop the dirty sheets in here and grab some new ones. But hey, we make it work. We make it work out. So when you do wash clothes, this is the area right here where you dry your clothes at, especially on a beautiful day like this. Look at this. Look, it's beautiful out here. Why would you want to come hang your clothes up to dry? You know, ain't no dry your hair, but it's okay. Also, if you don't want to do it, right across the street is a lady who dry your clothes for maybe like 50 cents, and she fold them real nice or whatever. So you don't have to do this if you don't want to. But hey, sometimes you do. Come up here, you take a seat, enjoy the weather. It's beautiful out here. And this is the rooftop. It's real small, but hey, we love it. So let me show y'all the other area in the back. I'm not sure what this is over here. This is a little empty room. I don't think nobody really come here to chill or whatever. I never been in here, so I just leave it alone. I don't know what it's for. We just kind of just mind our business most of the time. But this is the little small rooftop area. It's a nice view. It's a beautiful day. So people come out here, I guess you can smoke a cigarette or drink a beer. I don't know what people do. Like I said, it's a nice view. You see the mountains, see the city. Real nice, especially on a beautiful day like this. It's super hot, but hey, come out here and relax a little bit. This is our view. Speaking of the lady who wash and dry clothes, that's our shop right over there, y'all. Literally right down the street. So we need to go get them clothes dried. After we wash them, we just bring them right over there. She hooked that up. She folded it up for us real nice. And we'll be good to go. All right, so before we reveal the price of what we pay, I want to thank all of our subscribers who've been rocking with us from day one. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe to the video. And make sure y'all stay to the end, because I produced a nice song for all our subscribers. And I have all y'all names down. Not all of y'all, but I'm trying to get everybody in there. We're doing something special for y'all for supporting us on our journey, right? So the reveal of how much we pay here every month is 6.5 million VND, which is equivalent to $250 USD. That's not including water or electricity, which is an extra maybe $30 to $40. So altogether, about 290 USD, which ain't bad. You can't beat that with a baseball bat, like Sara said. If we get that on the shirt, y'all make sure that y'all let me know if y'all buy it or not. We're gonna have some merch. So if so, y'all comment down and let us know if that's a good idea or not. I think it's dope, and I'll wear the shirt. I know I would, because you can't beat that with a baseball bat. And we have it reasonable, you gotta have it at a reasonable price too. So we're gonna do that for y'all. Also, this place also come for 100,000. It's 100,000 VND. If the cleaning lady that come and she'll clean the whole place for you, and that's like $3.96. So you can't beat that awesome with a baseball bat. No pun intended. But also I'm gonna put the links down below. Well, I'm gonna share with y'all how to find, if y'all looking for a place in Vietnam, and today I'll share with y'all how to find the best prices, or how to find, from Airbnb and a few other websites I'm gonna share with y'all, if y'all could, try to get a place out here, if y'all willing to move. And how we found this place was from the last video. Y'all remember Trap Money Auntie? It's her spot. I told y'all she a hustler. She got 5 cell phones. But I'm gonna share with y'all how to find the best place. So the first place you want to look at would be Airbnb. Of course, you can find things a lot cheaper on other methods I'm going to give you, but Airbnb is a good spot where you can find a monthly rate on a spot to stay out here. They always have good deals, as you can see some places for anywhere from $200 to maybe $700 a month. And if you're not looking for a contract. I also didn't mention with our place, we don't have a contract either. We just paid a down payment of 500,000 VND, which is about $20, and that locked us in, and we just pay month to month from there. All right, so the second place I recommend is a Facebook group called Housing Apartments for Rent Today. As you can see, they have a lot of apartments for rent on here. Some of it being Vietnamese, but you can always translate. As you see right here, you hit the translate button and it'll tell you exactly how much. Like this place is $6 million. It's a little bit less than what we pay, which is kind of nice. It's a real nice place, and there's always a ton of apartments here for rent. A lot of realtors. The only difference about Facebook, sometimes they do require down payments and multiple months. Like some people require you to, sign a lease. But it depends. You can kind of barter with them and, talk them in and out of it. So it's definitely one place you want to check out. Another gem I found was a website called Chotot. Hope I pronounced this right, but it's CHOTOT.com. But you do put it in, it will come up in Vietnamese. So you have to, if you don't speak Vietnamese, you have to translate it over to whatever language you do speak. But you go to the top and you type in apartments for rent. I like to kind of filter it to, no more than maybe 20 million for your price range. And, it depends on how much you want to pay. And you scroll down, most realtors deal with this site. They'll put a lot of their properties on this site. And this site too, they do require you having maybe a 6 month to a year lease. But like I said, you can always talk to them. And if you stay in for like 3 months or so, you can talk to them and work something out. So this is my top 3 recommendations for finding apartments. Oh, and of course, just networking and talking to people. I think that's definitely number one. That's how we found our place out here. So definitely just networking with people also is a good way to find a place to stay out here in Vietnam. Thank you for watching.
We on the road, yeah, flying high, seeing new places, reaching the sky. Jay and Sara bringing you along. Every moment feels just like a song. From the mountains to the sandy beaches, every adventure, each one teaches. Trekking the world, see the sights. With you subscribers, our guiding lights. Thank you for the ride. You're the reason we're worldwide. Join the trip, yeah, come see more. Follow us as we explore. Trip and program, don't forget. Together we ain't done yet. Buy us a coffee, join the fun. Subscriber family, next stop the sun. From every like and every view, we couldn't do this without you. Every comment, every share, it's your love that takes us there. Thank you for the ride. You're the reason we're worldwide. Join the trip, yeah, come see more. Follow us as we explore. Trip and program, don't forget.